guys, welcome to my first airsoft video. This is from Saturday on a site called Nyvång, which is in South Sweden. This is one of the 4 sites in Sweden that I tend to play on, which offers a wide variety of terrain. I was accompanied by 2 of my close friends, Peter and Johan, and then some other friends of mine. This day, the organizers arranged the flea market for everyone to sell off anything airsoft related between the morning and lunchtime. Then after the lunch we played airsoft for around 3 hours. The day's objective was capture the flag. We had 8 flags, which was red and blue, which were randomly placed on the field. Then our team had an American flag starting at the flag base, and the opposing team had a German flag starting at their flag base. Each team are allowed to raid each other's flag bases and return them back to their own base. Once all flags are captured by one of the teams, the game is over. Nyvång is a very large but thin field right now, so it's easy to lock down a team by their base. A while ago we voted for a new leading board on the site, which have tons of plans to change the dynamic of the field. So there will be a lot happening in the next coming weeks, starting what we will call Staden, or in English, the city. I'm playing with my TM Scar Lite Next Gen and my Umarex Block 19X, which gives me a big CQB advantage. Our team base are next to what we call theater, and the flag base are inside the theater, and the enemy's team spawn by the truck flatbed and have their flag base by the bunker, which is an old military bunker. On this site we are only allowed to shoot semi with a carbine when standing up, or if you're crouching you are allowed to shoot full auto, or as I am, bursting with a carbine. I tend to train my awareness a lot, but this is just pure failure from my side. How could I not see him until my teammate told me where he was?
Du ser de 3 som sitter där längst borta.
Ja, de ligger en där. Det ligger en där med röd armbindel precis där vägen svänger här.
Där.
My teammate ran out of ammo and did not have a pistol with him today, so he borrows mine to push up on their flag base to grab the German flag.
Ja, täckon eller? Ja, det var nu.
On this site, our medic rule is that each player are given a bandage at the start of the day. If a player is hit, you use their bandage to medic them. So your bandage is always used to heal yourself. Once you have applied a bandage correctly like a real one, they are alive again.
Vi täcker va?
You are allowed to shoot players healing others, and something new is that you are allowed to medic everywhere now. Previously, you were not allowed to medic within the city due to the CQB distances.
Ja.
After I healed my teammate, I start walking back to our base to link up with Nalle, who took the flag earlier. We decided to push the enemy flag base from below the ridge.
Grusstigen.
If you look to the right, you can see that their flag base is right next to us.
Är han volontär? Bäst för sig. Ja. Johan, jag kommer. Ja. Det är bara så springa, bara snabbt ner, bara springa. Det går högre, Johan.
Once I come up to the enemy flag base, I see Nalle, who have taken 3 flags already. We just need to carry them back to our flag base. We managed to get back to base with 3 flags, so right now we have all flags except 1 red, which we believe are somewhere in the city or the dense forest next to it. Once we got into the city, enemies start deciding to rush us. This game we also had a Juggernaut with a steel helmet, so when I saw him I couldn't resist.
Jag var bara tvungen.
The enemy rush only succeeded to take a few of us out, so I take my chance to backtrack and go more to the left side of the city to open up new ways to push in.
Granat! Ja. Här är mycket på vänster.
I decide to make a final push, then call it for the day. Since I'm running quite low on ammo, once I start pushing up, I can see that Nalle is also pushing in parallel with me.
Nalle, testa gå runt. Jag vet inte om han sitter kvar där. Det är lugnt.
That's all for today. Next time I will bring out my brand new TM Scar H that I will bring on a 72-hour Milsim, which is coming up in 2 weeks. If you like what you saw, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, where I will upload loads of new content from gameplays, tutorials, tips and gear reviews. I almost forgot my Quake that I threw earlier and decided to play a prank on Johan. Have a nice week and we see you next time.